tubig para sa ating spaghetti. Guys, I'm going to prepare spaghetti. So I boiled some water for my spaghetti pasta. What I will do, guys, is to add olive oil and some salt. I think more of oil. Yes, that's it. My pasta. I prepare some strainer here. Actually, it's a steamer, but I use it as strainer. Yeah. So let's check, guys. Yeah, it turns like a bit white. See. So it's almost done. Oh, look at that. So it's done already. And I want to drain here. And then I want to put some running water. So what is the purpose of this, guys? Why we have to do it in running water? Just to avoid the pasta of sticking together. So that's why I have to do that. And then I have to leave it until it's already fully drained. Yeah. I love old big movies, and it's like I love the detective type of movie. Second one, right? Next will be carrot. Nalaglag dati, guys, nalaglag ako nung nung ako ko is food plates. And I remember what is the ingredient is how you work in things, like it should be always clean. It should be always clean, and it is you have to manage your garbage like that. The table should be clean. Yes. The next one will be see guys, done. So the next one will be bell pepper or capsicum. The same thing, I need this to be in small pieces, sliced in. What is next, guys, will be pieces, yeah, tiny pieces. So it's done. Shoutout na pala sa mga Kenji guys dyan. At sa mga friends ko na Kenyans. Shoutout. Mega love shoutout to you guys. So, this is how I prepare my spaghetti. Yeah. I can process this. I have a machine for this. I prepare to do it manually using knife. now guys, I'm doing with the tomato. Yes. So this one, I have to slice it finely slice. In Philippines, or my experience, we just prepare spaghetti with vegetables because it's pretty expensive. Yes, if you don't have those vegetables, so you have to buy it in the market. So that is why it's really expensive when you prepare some spaghetti. That's why spaghetti on occasions, like birthday, fiesta. There we go. So let me go to the kitchen and do the step-by-step preparation. So guys, here is my spaghetti pasta. It is very much strained now. Yes, see, it's strained already. And here are my ingredients: the garlic, onion, carrots, red and green bell pepper, green or yellow, yeah, and tomato. And what is my additional ingredients? Ingredient is corned beef. This is good for spaghetti. And I will try to add some of the, what is this, smoked turkey, and some minced, ground chicken. Yeah. Yes. So it's done. This is how you're gonna do. Open this side, this cutter here. Yeah, this cutter here should bite on the edge. So let me do it. Yeah, it's like that. It should bite. Yeah. Then turn it. See guys, have you seen it? Yeah, it's like that. Yes. It will turn around the edges. And what? Wait. Okay, I may open this. And then if it's not working, you have to do it again. Okay, maybe I will in this side. So see, you have to do it again. Yeah, you hear the tick, then have it. So again guys, let's continue. Now I'm gonna add the bell pepper and the carrots. Yes. Let's mix it. The current beef, yes. I have to add the current beef. And my chicken. Mix. And I'm gonna add in this. Some water. Okay. Mix. We're covering it. Yes. I don't add the salt yet because it might be salty the salt. So I will wait for those ingredients to mix together, and I have to add this. So then mix it nicely. In the freshly ground or pepper, paprika, dried basil, now I will be adding the Filipino style spaghetti sauce. Need to cover it again. Let's check. Oh. So this time I will add salt taste. But first I have to check the taste first. I just add a bit of salt, glass of salt. Yes, this is now the correct consistency. So I'll be showing you getting here. So you can see how is the mixture of those ingredients. Yes, this is it. This is how we make spaghetti with those ingredients. Remember guys, there is the beef, corned beef, that makes it more tastier. Yeah, and it's done. Hi guys, welcome back. And now my spaghetti sauce is done already, and my pasta. Now I want to tell you some secret guys. Do not mix the pasta sauce and the pasta, I mean the spaghetti, because it will if you mixed it already, you need to eat it. Without eating it, it will spoil. It's like it's a waste. So what I will do now, if I want to eat, I get some spaghetti here, the pasta. Yes, get some pasta. I only eat what I want, the amount, what I can. I only get what I can, the amount. And then have some sauce, and voila. See guys, see how it goes. You can add more if you want. Yeah, you can add more if you want. Then yes, you have to mix this together and enjoy. Yes, enjoy. Enjoy. Just like that guys. Just like that. Yeah. So what I will do is, with this, I have to cool it down completely before putting it in the refrigerator. And also this one, I cover it with clean plastic. And this one, I should finish this. Voila!